Yeah, good afternoon, Mr. Simon. Yeah, my name is Olenzoeu. It's my ISSE presentation. So my first, for the start, I'll start with my 5 regulations, and the first one will be unauthorized use or interception of service. Setting up security firewalls prevents computer from entering, and only allowing high security or a high position or security in charge departments to decide if external IT users are able to connect their devices while running updates or maintenance would prevent any external source from entering company devices easily, and also prevents hacking. The next one will be unauthorized obstruction of use of computer by using administrator account to set accounts for individual users in the company and blocking access depending on its rank or level or position in the company. By doing this, the only possible way of breaking the unauthorized obstruction of use of computer act will be if the CEO or IT department head who has the access to the security mainframe, hence the probability will be low as they are the main in charge of the company and will not sabotage. The next one will be the access to personal data. Every employee will have their personal data upload in the company profile whenever they join a certain company. To protect the privacy and well-being of each company, encrypted codes will be set for each data or profile details of each employee. This avoids people from hacking into data and retrieving it easily, as encrypted code will be harder to crack, and if careless, they may end up being backfired by the company's internet security firewall before they will finish cracking the code. The next one will be the unauthorized disclosure of access code. The company can use systems like 2FA or codes to be sent before and login access to any user or company data system. It also requires personal data verification. Hence, this prevents people from any access regardless of knowing the access code or password to any user account. The last one will be the collection, use, and disclosure of personal data, allowing only main administrator, etc., CEO, department head, or COO to access to any personal data of any employee. This prevents any use or disclosure or even any random employee from accessing the data. Now for my physical access. As you can see, the server rack is being locked. There are server racks, and it is being locked with a cage with fingerprint or passcode locked to secure it safely. Inside there also be routers and CPU locked with passcodes only known to the technology department head, and also to the CEO or CO, which is the high position in charge. For the logic access, a feature from Windows has to be set in order for specific employees to view sensitive data. Only certain employees will be granted access to information that is within the company's database servers, hardware or software, easily, as only the domain users are able to elevate the network location, which prevents hackers from hacking into the network system easily. And now I'll demonstrate how I enable it. Okay. Okay. This is when it is disenabled. So you get a fail. And when you enable it, you will have to come to local computer policy here. Local computer policy. Search for local group policy, this one, and which will lead you to here, and you click network and network connections, and here require and enable it press OK. And after you rerun CISCAT and you view your report, you will get it passed. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.